Buy high, sell higher. Good day, all stock market traders and investors. This is Total Investor, and on this YouTube investment channel, what we normally do is we discuss opportunities in the stock market, and that means I bring you charts, and we use technical analysis to determine what looks bullish and bearish. Today, I'm going to do something similar, but with a little bit of a twist. Usually I look for stocks that are bottoming, and now I'm going to actually look for stocks that are near their highs and are looking to go higher still. Okay, so we're going to look for stocks that are we're just going to be buying on strength, expecting the strength to continue. Okay, it does work. It has worked in the past. A lot of technical traders use this particular method. Okay, it's going to be short and sweet video, just 4 charts, simple, and we'll start right now with the very first chart. The first one is Coursera, C-O-U-R is the symbol. Okay, 6-month chart pattern, low here of around $11, high 19, just under 20. So a very nice advance that it's had. I put an upward trend line here, going from the July lows up here, touched again. So this trend line is still valid, and I have across just over $19. That's pretty much where we're getting some major resistance. Now, one of these lines is going to have to break. Okay, I think that it's going to be the top one, the resistance, simply because it's touched it several times, and it's, we're due to go higher simply because of the other indicators as well. One is the 50-day moving average, and also the 10-day moving average. Both of them are sloping upwards. They've crossed. The stock is above that, and even the RSI broke its downtrend line, and we are up above the 50 level. We're at 60. Okay, so this is looking very promising to not only break the previous resistance levels, but move higher and continue to do so on its course. Coursera, obviously, C-O-U-R. No pun intended on that one. Next one is Construction Partners, R-O-A-D is the stock symbol. Somewhat of a similar pattern, low being here near the beginning of the 6-month chart pattern. I drew a downtrend or an uptrend line from the lows in late July, straight up. The stock has moved from 28 to just over 40, and again across here from the highs that it's made several times and touched it, 40.75. It's touched it once, twice, 3, almost 4 or 5 times. So I think that will break soon. Again, the 50-day moving average is sloping upwards. 10-day moving average is sloping upwards. The RSI is above 50. It's in the buy zone. We're at 59. So everything looks good for this particular stock to move higher, break the recent highs and the 52-week highs, and continue on that trend, moving upwards, ROAD. Next, uranium energy, UEC. This particular sector has been on fire. Just about every single stock has been doing very, very well. The 6-month low here on this particular chart, 2.5. On the high, $6. That's a nice percentage return in just a short period of time. I've got an upward sloping trend line from the lows that it made in mid-July here at around $3 all the way up, touched it several times, and of course the resistance level at around $6, which it's touched or got near to for the past several weeks. We touched it today. So again, one of these lines is going to break, and it's most likely going to be the resistance level at around $6. Why? Because we've got the both moving averages, the 50 and the 10-day moving average, sloping upwards. We've got the RSI that has been above 50 for, well, since mid-July. So that's what, August, September, October, November, 4 months that it's been above that. Still above there, touched the 50 several times, bounced right off, and we're now at 61. So everything's a go for this thing to continue to move higher. And I don't know if it'll be bringing us the same percentage-wise returns over the next 6 months, but I think that it should continue to do very, very well. UEC, Uranium Energy. And finally, our last one, the fourth one of the day, Vertiv Holdings, VRT is the symbol. Again, similar pattern. Bottom is near the 6 months ago. We got an upward sloping trend line through the recent lows here. That was 16 to 42. It's more than a double. Anytime you can make more than a double in 6 months, pat yourself on the back, okay? Buy strength. So we've got the upward resistance level at around 42.5, 43, give or take. That looks that level will break as well. Again, same pattern. We've got upward sloping 50-day moving average, upward sloping 10-day moving average. The stock is above that, and we're just inches away from the resistance level. And we've got the RSI in plus 50. We're at 62. Again, everything is in the right place for this stock to break through, move higher, and continue to make new highs. So that's exactly what I meant. Buy high, sell higher. Okay, so we're just going to be buying on strength. Just continue going on with the trend. The trend is your friend right till the very end. Okay, that's a saying, and believe it or not, it is true. It does make people money. Okay, so that is the 4 stocks that I brought to your attention. Again, just for those that were not aware of this particular channel, I always say what I bring you should be thought of as educational purposes and should never be thought of as financial advice. Okay, if you found this helpful, please a big thumbs up, hopefully a comment, and also if you can, or if you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel. Okay, that will allow YouTube to notify you when a new video comes out, and that way you don't miss out on any particular opportunities for you to make money in the market. Okay, so having said that, I will see you in the next video. Take care.